Good morning, grade 9. We are with second question from set 2.3, which is related to surds. Now the question is, which are surds? Now you know that value of this should be irrational number. Now just look at the first question, third root of 51. Now see, this is not a perfect cube because 51 is 17 into 3. So no number can come out. 51 is not a perfect cube. Are you understanding me? So its value will always be irrational, and therefore this is a surd. This is a surd. Now here fourth root of 16. 16 can be split up as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And so fourth root of 16, which number is repeated 4 times? Multiplied by itself, that is 2. And therefore fourth root of 16 is equal to 2. And this is a rational number. So this cannot be surd because we have perfect answer of this. Are you understanding me? Okay. Now fifth root of 81. 81 is written as 9 nines are 81, we know. 9 is 3 into 3. And here again 3 into 3. Now fifth root we want. We don't want fourth root. And therefore this is also a, you may say, we can't get rational number out of this. So answer of this will again be irrational. So fifth root of 81 we will get irrational number, and therefore this is also a surd because your answer should be irrational. Are you understanding me? We should not get whole number like this or rational number. Now 256, it goes without saying. Now here nothing is there means it is square root. Square root of 256 is 16. We know that, isn't it? Because 16 square is 256. So this cannot be a surd because we have perfect rational number over here. Third root of 64. 64 can be split up as 4 into 4 into 4. And therefore third root of 64 is 4. Therefore this is also not an surd. We are not getting a rational number. I hope you are understanding. Okay. Square root of 22 upon 7. We don't know what is square root of 22. We don't know what is square root of 7. So this answer will again be irrational number, and therefore this is a surd. Are you understanding me? Okay. So we have surds as first, then third, and sixth is a surd. Okay. It was easy, no? We should not be getting the perfect rational number at the end. You should be getting imperfect, or you may say you should be getting irrational number, then only it will be a surd. So in short, you may say square roots of all imperfect squares. See, square roots of all imperfect squares are surds. Square roots of perfect squares are not surds. Okay, cube root of imperfect cubes are surds. Okay, in that terms you remember. Let's go for next question. Before going to next third problem, I would just like to tell you how to write the justification. I am showing you two examples, one of surd and one which is not surd. Similarly, you write for the others. Alright. Now say in case of 3 root 51, this is surd as 3, that means order is greater than 1. 51 is rational number, and 3 root 51, this is irrational. Therefore, it is a surd. In this case, value of this is 2 and 2 is rational number. Once you get this as rational, it is not a surd. Okay, you write in the similar way for other examples as well. Now let's go for the third. Classify as like or unlike surds. First is root 52 and 5 root 13. Now what do you mean by like or equal surds? Like surds means what? Their order and the radicand should be same. Then they are like. If they are not same, they are unlike. So 52 can be written as 4 into 13. What is root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. So I have taken this out of root. What I got? 2 root 13. So root 52 is nothing but 2 root 13. And this is 5 root 13. What is the radicand? In both cases 13. And what is the this order? Order is 2. So both of this order is 2 and radicand is 13, and therefore as their order and radicands are equal, they are like surds. I'm not going to write this sentence every time, but you should be writing it in your notebook whenever you get like surds. Write what is the order also and what is the radicand. Here order is 2 and 2 means here the square root, not this 2. Please mind well, alright. And radicand is 13 and therefore they are like surds. Let's quickly go to the next example. So second is root 68 and you have 5 root 3. Alright. So root 68. Now 68 we can split this as root 68. So 68 can be written as nothing but 17 into 4. Yes, so we have 4 into 17 and this is 5 root 3. So this can be square root of 4 is 2. So 2 root 17. So what we got for root 68? 2 root 17 and this is 5 root 13. 5 root 3. Now what is the order? Order, both the cases order is 2 but radicand are different and therefore they cannot be surds. So please write that sentence. Orders are same but radicands are different. So they are unlike surds. Then let's go for next examples. Now classifies as like and unlike surds. So 4 root 18 and this we have seen. 18 can be split up as 9 into 2. Square root of 9 is 3 and therefore 3 comes out. 4 3s are 12. So 12 root 2. Now 12 root 2 and 7 root 2 both have same order 2 and radicand is also 2, therefore they are like surds. Look at this, 19 root 12 and 6 root 3. 19 root 12 can be split up as 19 into 12 is 4 into 3. What is square root of 4? It is 2. So 2 will be coming out. 19 2s are 38. So this is nothing but 38 root 3. Now 38 root 3 and 6 root 3 both are having same radicand, that is 3. And both are having order also 2. Therefore they are like surds. 5 root 22 and 7 root 33. Now see what is the order? 2. Both are having order 2. But what is radicand? Radicands are different. 22 and 33. Even though we split this, it will be 11 into 2 and this will be 11 into 3. 11 is not a perfect square, so it won't come outside the square root sign. Are you understanding me? So here, and as it is left over will be root 3 and root 2. So these radicands are different and therefore they are unlike surds. Both should be equal, remember. Order as well as radicand, when both are equal, then only it is like surds or equal surds. Either one is equal or both are not equal, then they are unlike surds. Now look at this, 5 root 5 and root 75. Root 75 can be split up 25 into 3. Square root of 25 is 5. So this is nothing but 5 root 3. Now this is 5 root 3 and this is 5 root 5. Look at the radicands. Though the order is 2, radicands are 5 and 3. They are different. And therefore these are also unlike surds. I hope it is clear. Okay. We'll stop here, students. Rest problems we will see in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.